Picking Me Foundation is the only donor-supported nonprofit dedicated to advocating dermatillomania skin picking disorder for sufferers, supporters, and educational communities alike, encouraging individuals to choose themselves over the mental illness that chose them.
Today we are unpacking a Fiddle Pack by the Picking Me Foundation, a nonprofit. Alright, we're unboxing a Picking Me Fiddle Pack. Let's see what we got inside here. Whoa, all kinds of goodies! Well, first up, it looks like we have a tangle. These are really fun to play with. Awesome. Let's see what we got next. Ooh, we got a ball inside. Ooh, that's cool. That's fun. Let's see. Oh, we got some pipe cleaners. Let's see what else. Ooh, I like this. This is a lot of fun. Good to keep your hands busy. And what did I see in here? Were these fake grapes? Fake grapes! Oh yeah, fake grapes, fake grapes. Fake grapes, fake grapes. We've got Band-Aids! Band-Aids are super cool. We have got Picking Me sticky notes. Wow, look at all this. Picking Me. We've got a Picking Me coloring pack. Oh yes, Picking Me coloring pack. What else do we have here in this little goodie bag? Fiddle Pack from Picking Me. A Fiddle Pack. Oh, look at this. A heart. Squeeze ball, that is nice. We've got the bracelet with awareness. Care your wear. Picking Me. What do we have here? Oh, we've got Picking Me sticker. We've got some nice patches, some nice pimple patches. All kinds of good stuff. Let's see here. Oh, these guys. These are fun. You just kind of flick them. There they go. Nice. Oh, everybody's favorite. The old finger trap. Uh-oh. Oh. Get your fingers caught. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh my, we've got a squishy ball, that is cool. Oh, a nail file. Very good. We've got, one of these things that the bank tellers use. Nice. Oh, we've got a really cool one here. Oh, it's a zipper. It's a zipper to just play with. Now that is neat. Pen, you can always put the pen. What else here? Oh, there's still more. Tons of stuff in here. A nice fuzzy little red ball. That never gets boring. Oh, one of these guys. It pops. So you just let it go, and then all of a sudden, you get it inside out. It pops. Oh, we got a green ball. We got a little finger guard. Pin, super cool. What else do we have here? Let's see what we have. Oh, is this Silly Putty? I think it's Silly Putty. Silly Putty. Finger guard. Got some of these guys. Super fun. Overall, I was very impressed with the Fiddle Pack from Picking Me. Some of my favorites were the zipper bracelet, the Silly Putty, and the squeeze ball. I also love the wacky tracks. Highly recommend you check out the Fiddle Pack by Picking Me by visiting www.pickingme.org.
Picking Me Foundation is the only donor-supported nonprofit dedicated to advocating dermatillomania skin picking disorder for sufferers, supporters, and educational communities alike, encouraging individuals to choose themselves over the mental illness that chose them.